Alright, here comes the train. We watched this train for a little while now. It's coming. It's coming in from this that northbound or southbound. I'm not entirely good at my directions, but I think it's southbound. I'm pretty sure it's southbound. Yep, I see what's that? I see Hogan Street going off. So I'm running right now. Shoot, it's coming up quick. It's coming up quick. Sorry, this video doesn't look too good. I'm just running right now. Trying to go over here so I can record this crossing going off. Yep, that's getting really close. Yep, there goes that crossing. Yep, here it comes. Yep, there goes Lotto Street. Yep, this train is moving pretty quick, apparently. Good position. There's the end.